unless you look at the primary source documents, you can't see a lot of the sneakiness that's really going on in there. And so I like to show it on the screen. And kind of as you said, when I explain it to people, they're like, what do you do? I'm like, I read court documents on YouTube. They're like, what? I'm like, you do that? I'm like, yeah, it's a ton of fun. They're like, are you crazy? What are you talking about? I'm like, just come join us, man. It's fun because there's, serious issues in there. And what we are looking at, like one example from a show that we recently did, we're talking about birthright citizenship, right? And the subject to the jurisdiction thereof under the 14th Amendment. And we were reading an opinion where the judge was quoting the law, quoting the Constitution, but they just left out those little commas there in the subject to the jurisdiction thereof, right? So it's just one big fat run-on sentence as though it's not a separate, phrase that has any meaning. And then once they did that, they just delete the comments and then they just go through their analysis on the back of this fraudulent interpretation of the Constitution. And unless you can see that, unless you can see the commas and point that out and show people what's going on, it's hard to explain that a judge is perverting the Constitution. A judge is not accurately recreating it or interpreting it right.